Importing your Vrbo calendar to Airbnb is a straightforward process that can help you manage your vacation rental bookings more efficiently. To start, you need to have a Vrbo account and an Airbnb account, as well as a listing on both platforms. First, log into your Vrbo account and navigate to the calendar section for your listing. Look for the export option, which is usually represented by an icon or a link that says Export Calendar. Click on this option to download your Vrbo calendar in a format that can be imported into Airbnb, such as iCal. Next, log into your Airbnb account and navigate to your listings calendar section. Look for the import option, which is usually represented by an icon or a link that says Import Calendar. Click on this option and select the iCal file you downloaded from Vrbo. Airbnb will then import your Vrbo calendar. Syncing your bookings and availability across both platforms. Make sure to review your calendar on Airbnb to ensure that everything is accurate and up to date. It is essential to note that importing your Vrbo calendar to Airbnb will only sync existing bookings and availability. Any new bookings or changes made on Vrbo will not be automatically reflected on Airbnb, so you will need to update your Airbnb calendar manually or use a third-party synchronization tool. To avoid double bookings and ensure that your calendars remain in sync, consider using a channel manager or a property management system that can connect to both Vrbo and Airbnb. These tools can help you manage your bookings and availability across multiple platforms, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. By following these steps, you can easily import your Vrbo calendar to Airbnb and streamline your vacation rental management. Remember to regularly review and update your calendars to ensure that they remain accurate and in sync. And consider using a channel manager or property management system to simplify your workflow.